Hey guys, so I was recently tagged by a couple of sneaker YouTubers and Instagrammers about their top 5 sneakers. So apparently it's a thing right now on Instagram where you tag other people and then you're supposed to post what your top 5 sneakers are. So instead of just making like an IG post, I decided to make this quick vlog where I share with you guys, well, my top 5, I don't know, like rarest or most expensive sneakers in my collection. Let's go. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so and like my Facebook page and follow me on Instagram because we are giving away, oops, not this one, we are giving away, wait, error, we are giving away this one. This is the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Black Static. So this is in size 9.5, so size 9.5. Brand new. Subscribe now and then click the link down below in the description box for the rest of the mechanics. So let's jump right into it. So I have a couple of sneakers here that I put inside the duffel bag, and I'll go over the sneakers one by one. So the first shoe in my top 5, this is not in any particular order, is something that I recently unboxed and I did an on-feet review of. I called it one of my grail acquisitions for 2020. This is the Virgil Abloh Off-White Nike Air Force One Complex Con, which was released exclusively in Complex Con over at the US. So it's also meant to celebrate, I think, the 35th year anniversary of the Air Force One, which came out in 1982, which is the same year I was born. So that makes it really good, and that kind of dates me. But anyway, so it features like your typical white leather for the upper. You have the shiny swoosh and the rest of the off-white details that you'd normally find in a sneaker. Now this one, if you check StockX, is selling anywhere from $3,000 to $4,000 US dollars. So it is one of the most expensive sneakers in my collection, and I was only able to buy it because it was selling for a good price over at Cop Garden. So that's number 5. Again, it's not in any order. It's just sharing the sneakers that I feel are my top 5. The Nike Air Off-White Air Force One Complex Con. Number 2 is a surprise. It's a surprise because I didn't expect the price to go up. So it's another Air Force One. This one is the Nike Air Force One Off-White OG. So it's part of the original, the 10 sneakers that Virgil Abloh collaborated with Nike with. So this one I got for like 40,000 pesos brand new. So that's roughly $800. And if you check StockX now, a brand new pair of this one is selling anywhere from 1,800 to 2,500 US dollars. So that's almost more than, well, it is over 100,000 pesos for this, a brand new pair of this. So it just goes to show how crazy sometimes the value is of sneakers. But anyway, I did a quick comparison of this before, but you can see the difference. This one is all classic leather. This one has more of the different textures and materials that Virgil is used to, well, showing off in his collection. So that's number 4, the Nike Off-White Air Force One OG. The next sneaker in the plastic bag, with quotation marks, is of course another Air Force One. This is one of my favorites. This is the Nike Virgil Abloh Off-White Air Force One MCA. So from the Museum of Contemporary Art, I think in Chicago, if I'm not mistaken. But anyway, so again, this is one of those rarer sneakers to get. It was really difficult to find one when it first came out. And when it first released, the prices were just crazy. I mean, several resellers were letting them go for 150,000 to 200,000. So that's anywhere from 3,000 to 4,000 US dollars. Thankfully, the prices have stabilized, so you can actually pick one up like this anywhere, if you buy in the US, anywhere from 1,000 to 2,000 US. So anywhere from 50 to 100. So if you pay over that, you're actually overpaying. It's kind of overpriced because the market value is already pretty much set. So again, the Nike Air Force One Off-White MCA. Now, to those who've been watching the vlog for a while, you can probably tell and guess correctly what the last 2 sneakers are inside my bag. So let's take them out. So again, we have the plastic bag in quotation marks, and we'll take out one of my favorite sneakers first. In fact, this is still actually my favorite sneaker, period. Let me just take it out properly. This is the Nike Off-White Presto OG, and I absolutely love this sneaker. I've been raving about it so much, mostly because it is so comfortable. The style is just on point, super versatile with the different laces, and it's really, for me, one of the absolute best sneakers that Virgil Abloh has ever made. And for me, this is more than just a shoe, it's really art. And I just love looking at it and wearing it. So this one, number 2, again, not in any order, the Nike Off-White Presto OG. Oh, before I forget, if you check StockX, it sells anywhere from 1,500 to like 2,000 US dollars depending on the price. So it is also kind of expensive. Not kinda, it is actually very expensive. The prices have started to stabilize. It used to be super volatile. There were days where you would see it at 1,000, then suddenly you'd see it at 2,000 to 2,500, but now it's playing around the median range of 1,500 to 1,800. And the last sneaker is one of the grail Air Force Ones of a lot of people, including me, of course. This is the Off-White Jordan 1 Chicago. And the prices of this have really skyrocketed in the last few months. I remember picking this one up for a little over 100,000 pesos, so that's 2,000 US. The price has pretty much doubled since then. Brand new pairs are selling anywhere from 3,000 to 4,000 US. That's 150 to 200,000 pesos. If you buy the money sizes, they're actually going for 4,000 to 5,000 US. That's 200 to 250,000. And there was one that I saw that was, people are even trying to sell it for 6,000. That's just crazy. But anyway, my point is, this one, of course, one of the grails, the Jordan 1 Off-White Chicago's. So these are the 5 sneakers that I consider to be my top 5 sneakers in terms of maybe rarity and price. What about you guys? Let me know in the comment section what your top 5 sneakers are. I'd love to hear from all of you so we can get a discussion going. Now, I'm really loving this top 5 series, so you can expect in the next few days a lot more of top 5. So we're going to do like a top 5 sneakers that I regret buying, and maybe a top 5 most comfortable sneakers, top 5 running sneakers, top 5 coronavirus lockdown sneakers. I don't know, but I'll figure out a lot of top 5s, and you can expect a lot of that type of content on the channel in the next few days. For our power-up words of wisdom for today, it has never been easier and more convenient for you to give and bless others. And that is super important now because there are a lot of people needing help, be it frontliners who need personal protective equipment such as face masks or scrub suits or alcohol. We need to give people food, especially those displaced by the virus and the lockdown. They lost their jobs. I mean, there's just so many people in need of help. And if you are in a position to bless others, if you are in a place where you are comfortable, it's so easy to give. I mean, it used to be so hard. You need to find like a bank account to deposit to. You need to figure out who you want to give to. There's so much research involved. But now it is literally just 2 to 3 clicks away. There are a lot of applications, one of them being PayMaya, which you can just log inside the app. And there is this big button that says Donate Now, One Against COVID-19. So if you click that button, it actually brings you to a landing page where it lists all of their foundation partners that can receive donations. So you have Red Cross, you have UNICEF, you have Caritas Manila, you have Oxfam, you have PBSP, PDRF, Nowhere to Go But Up, Alagang Kapatid Foundation, PLDT Smart Foundation, you have RockEd, you have Kaya Natin, you have the PGH Medical Foundation, the Ronald McDonald House Charities Philippines, and the U-Town Pen Foundation. So you can go through all of the foundations and see who they want to help, be it frontliners or families. There's a lot. And don't think that because you can only give like a small amount that it won't count for anything. If you can give 50 pesos, 100 pesos, 200 pesos, 1,000 pesos, it all adds up. And you don't know how big of a blessing that can be for others. It can mean food, it can mean a warm blanket, mattress, clothes, personal protective equipment. So again, give, give, give. And with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed our vlog for today. As usual, peace, God bless, what's up, boom.
Hey guys! So, I'm inviting everyone to watch my video, my FB Live, my Facebook Live later. I'll start around 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock p.m. later. I'm gonna be doing some a really nice cooking demo on how to upgrade your pancit canton at home. I want to thank the really good folks at PLDT Smart for making this possible. Carlo Ople, thank you. This is gonna be a fun FB live. A lot of people have been asking me, oh, chef ka kasi masyadong highfalutin yung recipes mo. But with this one, I think we will be able to create a really nice gourmet leveling up of our favorite pancit canton. Okay? So stay tuned later. Bye!